I had a 36-year career in the Air Force. I retired as a 4-star general. My military career taught me to really dig deep into concepts and to ask a lot of really difficult questions. And when I think about what this particular capability brings to the table, it's exceptional. So it means that you don't have to be tied always to the same infrastructure, right? If there's a market you want to penetrate or a place you want to go, all you need is about 2,200 feet of siding, about 120 feet wide, flatten it out, and we're in business.
We blend together truck transportation and rail transportation to create one of the most efficient supply chains in the country. The reason that we do it better than anybody is because we do it with a lot less infrastructure than anybody else.
5 years of my military career, I was in a position that's called Emergency Preparedness Liaison Officer. I was assigned to FEMA Region 7 over a period of 5 years, responding to natural disasters in the United States and helping Americans mitigate suffering and save lives. And this type of capability, when you can take something from the rail and get it to where it needs to be quickly, it's going to help save lives and mitigate suffering.
Unique thing about the folks at TLD is they can have either a green site, basically start from scratch approach, and in 3 weeks they have a site up and running, or they can augment a ground field where there's already an existing transload facility. The ability to go to places that you had not really planned to be, but where the operations required you to be.
You could take a job that maybe had 15, 20 people and have 3 people do it more efficient, quicker, with less cost,
and create the flow of finished goods to the forces in the field. We're talking food, water, you're talking about ammunition, you're talking about batteries, and all those types of support equipment that really are required at the front line. Improved infrastructure, you need about a half an hour to download one particular car.
I've clocked these guys at 12 minutes a boxcar, which I've never seen. And I've been in the industry almost a decade.
Now you've got this almost compound optimization of the trains coming in on existing siding and being used to transfer product onto the trucks for literally local delivery. Game changer is an understatement. This is a profound paradigm shift.
We can create volume with finished goods at a rate no one's ever seen before, and it's with unimproved infrastructure, which is the amazing part.
We've had our products out here working hard for the last 3 years. It's all about reliability and dependability. With the partnership base, you've got a win-win solution that's unique and that would be difficult for others to replicate.
It's that wonderful combination of creativity being used to get the best out of all the resources.
We could talk about the State Department using this for disaster relief overseas. You could talk about this being in the military. You could talk about this being even further provided to our National Guard and state emergency response resources. So when you think about the challenge that we've had as a country, gosh, don't make it hard, don't make it expensive, make it simple, elegant, and flexible.
Right now, the difficulty lies within rail transportation solutions because they don't keep pace. They don't know where they're going sometimes. Sometimes there's no warehousing solution that's actually there. We eliminate all of those needs, and so we create a scenario where we actually keep pace with military operations, and we have the efficiency to keep pace as it's required in the field. We don't slow down for anything.
You need what we're sitting on here, a rail spur somewhere, boxcars full of what you need, people that are motivated to make it get to where it needs to get to quickly. And that's exactly what this system brings.
The ramp system that TLD has developed is revolutionary.
It's fun to watch. It's really an issue of imagination. Where do you want to move? How much do you want to move? And how fast can you move?